This is a quick short video on 1995 530i e34. I had an issue with the car not starting. I checked all the fuses. I checked the starter. I keep hearing that click, click, nothing. The alternator was good. Starter was good. But then I decided just to replace the starter. It's a 95. So I got it at this website. I don't remember the name. I don't have to find it out. Send me a message if you want. I got it for $68. Thought it was cheap, so I bought it. Free shipping. So then I fixed that, put a new alternator. Still, battery was kind of weak, but still wasn't charging. Was still having issues with the car not starting. So then one day I was messing around trying to jump start the car, because the only way with jump start is if I put a cable here, which is this. I actually got this piece. So I would hook up a jumper cable here. This car will start right up. And that's the way you're supposed to jump start, I believe. But then I tried jump starting it from the battery, and the car will still just do the click, click. That's it, no start. So then I jump started the cable here. I disconnected it from my Toyota truck, disconnected this, and somehow, I don't even know how I did it, but I ended up touching the wires that connect to this, and they were hot. So that if the wires are hot, that means it's not making good connection. So I ended up taking this apart, which is this piece here. I'm disconnecting the ground, disconnecting these. Then I sanded the metal on these, sanded the connections on the power wires, which you can see there, which is one of the power wires, the one that goes to the battery in the trunk. The other one goes out to the alternator, and I think to the starter too. So anyways, sanded that, put it back in, car started, no problems. And I knew the car didn't have an issue because the guy that owned it really took care of it, but he had started doing that where it wouldn't start until you jump started. And then he took it to a mechanic. The mechanic's supposed to fix it, but he never got a chance to. So then I detailed one of his cars, took one of his cars back, and then he told me he was going to sell it. Ended up buying it, ended up fixing that issue. So if you have a problem with your car not starting, just clicking, check the connections on this, and just check all your connections, sand them down, clean them all up, connect them, and that might be your problem.